Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Flare Network. Build something fascinating. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official Crypto Growth partners for the exchange. We've got MEXC. You can follow the link in the description box below for rebates, discounts, offers, benefits, and lowest fees. So do check it out. As far as the wallet is concerned, you can check out Decent. They've got their remarkable products, their biometric wallet, which has got an astonishing $30 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $99 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. Anyways, folks, let's see what's happening with Flare in real time, what the community is saying, what the official handles are saying. For official handles, you know where to go. Mr. Hugo Fillion, folks. He always has something interesting for us, so let's see what he has posted, what is happening with the Flare ecosystem, folks. Let's find out. So Hugo has reposted. This is Dan Rocky constantly covering Flare. Hot news. Let me open this up. Hot news. Flare Networks, Google Cloud, and Cal Blockchain are joining forces to build something fascinating, folks, at the intersection of AI, privacy, and blockchain. Let's dive in. This is a really great trio, folks. Look at this. Flare Networks, Google, Cal Blockchain. It can indeed be fascinating, folks. Blockchain at Berkeley, student-run organization at UC Berkeley, focused on blockchain innovation via education, research, and consulting. Established 2016, folks. So let's dive in. What does Mr. Dan Rocky has to say? Number one, the key components. Enterprise confidential computing, secure data processing. As you know, Flare and the likes, they are trying to play around with data and make it much more optimized, cost efficient, and a lot of different stuff. So obviously, and secure, obviously, secure data processing. Blockchain verification, academic research and development. Think AI that can learn from sensitive data while keeping it private. So keeping data private, keeping data secure while AI learns from that sensitive data. It does not leak that data, it keeps it secure. So this is, in a nutshell, we can say this. So why does this matter? Why this matters? The holy grail of AI has been building systems that can be both powerful and privacy preserving. This collaboration could crack that code through blockchain verification plus confidential computing. So folks, blockchain verification, you know that blockchain is immutable, it is transparent, it is secure. It can provide so much for various sectors throughout the world of finance, folks, be it AI and the world of tech as well, be it artificial intelligence, be it other segments. It can be huge, huge for confidential computing as well, folks. Flare Networks brings blockchain expertise. Number one, Flare Networks is bringing blockchain expertise. Google Cloud is bringing enterprise-grade infrastructure. Everyone is well acquainted with what Google Cloud is, folks. Cal Blockchain, meanwhile, brings academic innovation and fresh perspectives, perfect storm of industry plus academia. Why is academia important, folks? Because we can get new research papers and new research on where to take this development next. So it is really important. Academia is important, really, folks. Research, R&D, and a lot of different stuff that Cal Blockchain can bring to the table. Future implications: AI models that learn without exposing sensitive data. We already discussed it. Verifiable AI training and inference. Obviously, blockchain is transparent, it is verifiable, everyone knows what's happening. with AI, its training, and its inference. New class of decentralized AI apps that prioritize privacy. Great. Potential breakthrough in AI governance. Everyone is talking about AI governance. Everyone is saying that we need to go towards that ethical AI arena, because as far as we know, that AI cannot be left on its own. Obviously, you've seen different takes on it, different sessions, different events that have got the proponents from all over the globe, stakeholders from all over the globe, talk about how we need to put a leash on AI. Obviously, we do not need to put a leash on it, but we need to basically set it in a direction where it can take care of itself. A decentralized environment, but meanwhile, you know what's happening. Basically, yeah. While still early, this collaboration could be a blueprint for how decentralized AI evolves. Now, this is what I was talking about, folks. Decentralized AI. This is the key word. Privacy first. It needs to be private, yet it needs to be it shouldn't be a hassle in the development process. Verifiable, enterprise ready. Enterprises should be able to use it. Institutions should be able to use it and make it better, basically. Academic backed. So this is a really great blueprint for how decentralized AI can evolve and succeed, folks. So these are fascinating times ahead in the AI and Web3 space, folks. A really good read. Let me first of all like this one, and then we can check out what this is, what the pick is all about. Industry, academia, make AI better. Explore TEE's confidential computing and FLR simultaneously at UC Berkeley or from home. 1 week left to apply. TikTok. So this is Megan Ho, the co-president at Blockchain at Berkeley. So what does she have to say about this collaboration, folks? Look at this. The collaboration among FLR, Google Cloud, and blockchain at Berkeley is a testament to our shared vision. By integrating enterprise-grade confidential computing with blockchain verification systems and academic innovation, we are laying the groundwork for the next generation of decentralized AI applications. I mean, this is great, folks. A really great collaboration over here. Community partner, blockchain at Berkeley, Google Cloud, FLR. This is what brings credibility to the space, folks. This is what brings legitimacy to a project like FLR that obviously people have doubted, but I think that these collaborations are really important in my opinion. And this is why we keep on covering these projects like FLR. They collaborate, they forge partnerships with really interesting partners, obviously. So this is great. Let us see the comments as well. Seems interesting. Great breakdown, Dan Rocky. The university knows the need to protect its intellectual property. They understand how FLR can help them achieve that and bring all the brains together. This is great. I believe that as the total amount of tokens increases, so this is about the token. Okay. But what is needed to increase their value? Obviously, demand, use case, utility, that increases value in the long run. And FLR is really focusing on bringing that to the space, utility, use case, not just this space, the entire world of finance. There was another really interesting post by Hugo as well that I wanted to share with you folks. Yeah, this was it. Look at this. This is one of the key reasons we are building FLR. Some of the projects I'm seeing launch around XRP are taking immense shortcuts. If the protocol you are using for your XRP-Fi and BTC and Doge isn't built with decentralization at its core, then it's essentially Celsius 2.0. Look at this. Here's a reply to this one. We can't put our XRP in custodial XRPL DeFi hyped by influencers. Instead, our purpose is to reinvent the foundation on which global finance is built. Basically, reinventing the foundation. That is what FLR also aims to do. Your support and active involvement in building the value web is mission critical. Thank you. Okay. What else do we have? Anything interesting for us from Hugo? Okay, we think users should be rewarded for seeing ads, so it is nice to see brands running contests like this. Flair Fair is now running on an ad on Brave. Y'all are quite excited about it and sharing screenshots, so the intern is thinking, why not make it a game? The most recent comment below showing the ad while the ad is still active wins. Okay. Conditions, you guys can check this out, how you can participate in this. Community engagement is really important, so this is great. Ship together, stick together. 140 plus builds at ETH Oxford 2025 by HomeDAO Live. Here's what was built with Flare Networks. Let's see what this is all about, folks. Seems interesting. Congrats to Gerald C, Jeff, and Lim from NUS Blockchain for winning the best consumer app with Flaregate. Flaregate provides a trustless way to on-off ramp leveraging Flare Data Connector. It integrates open banking APIs to verify off-chain transfers, allowing users to securely do what? Securely trade with smart contract escrow. Awesome. As you know, that Flare is trying to build a huge ecosystem over here, different projects being built on top of it. Look at this. Kingdom of Laga Flare NFT card game using Flare's random number generator. Gaming, play to earn, a lot of different stuff that can be built on Flare. Protein Mango, parametric earthquake insurance marketplace powered by Web2, data from Flare Data Connector. Flare doc was very good. It was very helpful that the team was present all day and willing to help. Awesome. Talk about making real impacts. Flare Insure leverages FDC to reinvent micro insurance marketplaces on chain. This is awesome, folks. Do check out the full list of winners as well. Anyways, folks, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. By the way, what do you guys think about Flare and what it is bringing to the game? Do you really think that it is reinventing the world of finance? What do you guys think about this collaboration over here, folks? Do you think that it indeed is building something fascinating? I would really like your opinions, folks. Anyways, so do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.